Hi, this is Drew Marshall. I'm one of the guest bloggers with the Collaborative Innovation website associated with the Dassault Systems conference this week. And I'm joined by two gentlemen who are part of the CPG retail experience here at the conference. JR of JR Fashion House, a luxury brand based in France, and the director of Fashion Lab, Jerome Bergeret. So the reason I wanted to talk to the gentlemen was to talk about the beginnings of their collaborative partnership and find out what's next for them as they launch Fashion Lab in 21 days, correct?
Yeah. Yes, Andrew. In fact, when we met the first time, it was really how to meet creativity and innovation as we're willing to conduct through the Fashion Lab. And this story started about what, Jay, 6 months, 8 months ago?
Yeah, we met 8 months ago, and we were talking. I was like on all the project about like the future about my company, and as Jerome say, like the how can I say, like when we mix the innovation and the creativity, we can get like it's really the future and the future of the luxury business. So.
One of the interesting things that you both shared was the intersection between the designer's creativity and the technology, and how that's enabling you to communicate faster so that you can be more flexible with the way that you design. How is that changing the way that you work?
I mean, it's still like we are developing the solution right now, but those solutions are really the key of like that new way maybe of luxury, but like how we can develop, like how we can, I like that word, alchemy, and what do we do together? Basically, it's like to put that new way of creativity to make those things real, become real. We can be fast in creation, and when I say that, I'm talking about like how we can have the idea and at the same time have something real related to that idea. What they are developing with Fashion Lab today, it's exactly that concept.
Excellent, excellent. So when you decided to launch Fashion Lab back in October of 2010, is that right?
Yes, in fact, it was September, Andrew, and I came into Monica Mengini office, and I said, Monica, if we're willing to address what's the specific community, the designer community of the fashion industry, we cannot pretend to address it as a formal software editor. We have to change the rule, we have to change the game of the rules. And this is the reason why I said, okay, instead of going into our lab and making solution, we have some fundamental bricks, technology bricks, innovative bricks, but we don't know how to make the assembly in order to go to that specific community and let them use our technology. So we will ask them to cooperate with us through a technology incubator in order to make the right solution from an experience standpoint, from a technology standpoint. And this is where we make the wedding between the artistic world of JR and the Fashion Lab.
So in 21 days, you're launching Fashion Lab in New York with JR's show. What's the planning been like for the launch of this really exciting initiative from Dassault Systèmes?
We want to enforce all the key messages of the Fashion Lab. And the Fashion Lab is not only a B2B, it's a B2C. The blog that we will launch at that time, the official website that is 3ds.com Fashion Lab, will be the official website where we want to communicate everything we are doing, not only from a technologic media standpoint, innovation, but also from a fashion, fast fashion, luxury. So we want to nurture, share, and make crowdsourcing of how to drive all those innovation in order to make provide the right experience. And this is where the website will play a drastic role. And we get chance to make that launch end of November at GR showroom in Madison Avenue, and that is a great opportunity. And thanks for this, Jared. Really.
It is a wonderful opportunity. So, JR, with the launch of Fashion Lab at the launch of your line, what do you see this helping you do in relation to your customers? Does it help you get closer to them?
You're talking about that technology?
Yeah, I'm talking about the launch of Fashion Lab and the launch of Fashion Lab at your show.
We live in a world where everything is parallel, so you do something to bring you to another place to get to that point. It's like we do basically many things together to get where we want to go, or where we feel to go, where our instinct asks us to go.
And I think that's the benefit of a really great dynamic partnership, the idea that you can go there together, that you can help each other and reinforce the learning that each other has from the design perspective and the creative perspective and the technology perspective, which also has creativity embedded in it as well.
Life is a community today, you know. We need to be all together to understand what we have to do and where we have to go, you know.
Wonderful, wonderful. Congratulations on the launch of your show next November, 21 days, and congratulations on the launch of Fashion Lab, Jerome. Thank you for your time.